I wipe my nose. I rub my eye. I twirl my hair. I crack my knuckles. I tap my foot. I stretch my legs. I roll my eyes. I cross my legs.
What am I doing?
I'm delivering a package.
Delivering.
What am I doing?
I'm touching the leaves.
Touching.
What am I doing?
I'm crawling on the carpet.
Crawling.
What am I doing?
I am swinging.
Swinging.
What am I doing?
I am unrolling the mat.
Unrolling. What am I doing?
I'm hitting the golf ball.
Hitting. What am I doing?
And throwing a football.
Throwing. What am I doing?
I am walking.
Walking. What am I doing?
I am pinching my thigh.
What am I doing?
I am stirring my coffee.
What am I doing?
I am pumping the bike tire.
What am I doing?
I am flattening the dough.
What am I doing?
I am knocking on the door.
What am I doing?
I am crushing a can.
What am I doing?
I am pressing a button.
What am I doing?
I am wringing the towel.
What am I doing?
I'm pushing the wheelchair.
Pushing.
What am I doing?
I'm catching a fish.
Catching.
What am I doing?
I'm pulling out tissues.
Pulling out.
What am I doing?
I'm breaking apart a baguette.
Breaking.
What is the action? Yawn. What is the action? Sigh. What is the action? Sneeze. What is the action? Inhale. What is the action? Rub. What is the action? Massage.